We're back out today again. So it's the first day after all the storms. So the first stoppers, I'm on holiday today, so we're out local. The restrictions have been moved back in Scotland again, so we're in stage 3, so I'm not allowed to go to the local area, but got a nice wee spot up the back here, so I'm going to be down here and pitch up for tonight and get it up before it gets dark. So that's where I'm going to be pitching up tonight, down by the river. It's double the size what it normally is, which is good. Still get the shelter of the trees. This is down at the camp spot for tonight. I just had a deer walking by there and get a bit bark at me. I've got the winter bag out tonight. It's the Rab Ascent, the 1100. That's the Four Seasons one. A wee helium pillow there. I've got my foil, I've got my OEX Traverse air mat, so I'll be nice and cosy there, and I've got my trapper's hat for later on in case it gets cold. So I'll be nice and snug in here tonight. I can't believe it, I come down here to just take a picture and there's a bloody fish. I can just see it in the ripple there. Where it's disappeared to now. That's twice I've seen it in the last couple of minutes. It's late afternoon now, it's about 4:30, 4:45. That's the tent up. I've gathered some wood and I've got some dry kindling. So I'm going to get a wee fire going and get the dinner cooked. But I couldn't ask for a wee better spot like this. After the last few days of the storm there, it's just nice to get back out again and no wind. Very nice. Could be a nice wee night tonight. Tonight's dinner, guys, and silver foil there. I've got some field mushrooms. Unfortunately I didn't pick them, but they're all different ones that's come out of the forest, and they're safe to eat. I've got a lovely big sirloin there, nice and thick. I'm going to go into the fire just in a couple of minutes. So I'm just waiting for the flames to die down a wee bit, and then I'll be putting that on to cook. And I've got some roast potatoes to go along with. Lots of field mushrooms are all steamed there, so I'm just going to put them under the steak. So the steak's in the now with the roast potatoes. So that fizz up. Well guys, here's my dinner finished. You've got roast potatoes, you've got a lovely big sirloin steak, and you've got a selection of wild mushrooms there. So I'm just going to knock this off the root and I'm going to do the taste test and get ducked in about this. It's been raining for a few weeks now, and maybe even 10 to 12 days anyway, solid rain, so all the wood's pretty damp. So we tip always take the bark off it and it'll burn no problem because underneath bone dry. So I collected some of this wood just before it went dark, and I was kind of selective in what I brought, so I knew I could just scrape the bark off it, and underneath it's nice and dry. And with it. Yeah, it's been a long week. It's just good to get out. Sitting the day and I says the rain's never going to stop. We were breaking the clouds and I says to the missus, I say I'm going out camping tonight. I've got a couple of days on holiday, so I'm planning today, whale camp tonight, whale camp tomorrow night maybe.
It's been a great night. The fire was fantastic. I had my dinner there by the river, and it was just a case of chilling out for a couple of hours and just totally unwinding. It was a good night. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Great full moon the night and plenty of stars and the rain, no wind. Haha, can't beat it, eh? Okay, guys, right, catch up in the morning. 3:30 in the morning. It's been raining quite constantly for about 11:30 last night. The great night, then all of a sudden, for nowhere again, the rain came, the wind picked back up again. Tent's standing still, have no issues. Nice and cosy in here.
Morning guys. Well, it was a beautiful night last night in Frosty. Then about 11 o'clock, 11:15, the rain started. And it's rained constantly all night. But it's not stopped me any. The river's up a couple of inches. Sorry, the burn. It's nice to wake up with the sound of the water running by. It's that time in the morning again. Can I start the day with a good cup of tea? A cup of tea on, and then I'll get a bite to eat. I've made porridge this morning, but the next best thing, I've got a square sausage, or a Lawrence sausage as you call it. Got that cooker on there with a nice wee pan. Got that cooked up, did that for my breakfast this morning. Well, that's breakfast ready guys. Got a nice warm cup of tea there, and I've got a rolling sausage. I'm just going to dive into that and enjoy it for breakfast. I'll pack back up just to put my tent back onto my bag, and that'll be me. That's where I was pitched up last night. And it's starting to drop now. It's dropped about 2 inches before I got up. But oh, it's been a lot of rain during the night. I just walk over here, this is where we were last night. There's a wee bit there, I had the fire. So I'd cleared it all before I went to bed last night, and the rains came during the night, and any remnants of that's been long washed away. As usual. Left it better than what I found it. That way I can always come back again. Morning guys, that's me all packed up. It's a bit nippy this morning, you still see it. It's been raining most of the night, and so I'm just getting packed up and heading up the road. So as usual, if you like the video, get a wee thumbs up and leave a comment below. That helps me out a lot. It keeps me doing what I'm doing. So till the next time, be good, stay safe. I say there's been a lot of rain overnight, but there's the path I walked in last night was going right, it's a river now. Powers in Mother Nature, eh? The amount of rain it's fallen these days is incredible.